Hey everyone, today we are solving another LeetCode question, question number 2283. Check if number has equal digit count and digit value. An interesting frequency counting problem from LeetCode. First we will read the question, then we will understand the problem, and then we will discuss the brute force idea and the optimized approach. Then we will dry run and directly dive into our code. So first we will read our question. You are given a zero indexed string num of length n consisting of digit. Return true if for every index I in the range 0 is less than equals to I less than equals to n. The digit I occurs num I times in num, otherwise return false. Example. So it's very simple. Uh, Simple. What is the question is saying? Like let's take an example. Num 1 to 1 0. Okay. On this is index 0, this is index 1, this is index 0 1 2, this is index 3. So on num 0 means index 0 1. On index 0 1 is given. The digit 0 occurs once in number, which means the value of index, like the 0 index is 0 and the value is 1, and also in num the 0 is appear one time, so the digit 0 occurs in 1. So number of so the number of index is equals to the number of value given to us is equals to number appear in the array string. The digit 0 occurs once in num. Now num1 means index 1. Index 1 the value is 2. Index is value is 2, and the digit 1 occurs twice in num. You can see on 0 and 2, on 0 and 2, and is also equals to the number 2. So it's also right. You can see on index 2 value 1 is given, and this 2 is appears one time in this question. So the digit 2 occurs once in num. I hope you understand. Num3 is equals to 0, which means value is 0, index 3, and the value is 0. And also the digit 3 occurs 0 time in num. You can see 3 is not appearing, so it is also correct. So our output is true. I hope you understand. I will again explain. So you can see index 0 value is 1, and 0 is appearing one time in this uh, whole string. So this is right. Index 1 value is 2, and 1 is appearing two times in this num string. So it is also true. You can say index 2 value is 1, value here is 1, and 2 is occurs once in this num. So it is also right. Num3 value is 0, and 3 is not appearing. 0 means 0 time appearing in num. So it is also true. So the output is true. As you can see 0 3 0. Why it is false? Because num 0 value is 0. The digit 0 should, which means 0 will be appeared 0 times in this, but we can see 1 and 2 on index 0, and on index 2 0 appearing 2 times. Well, 0 time, but actually occurred twice in num. Now on num1 you can see num1 value is 3, which means num1 has to be appeared 3 times in the string, but the digit 1 should occur 3 times. 1 should occur 3 times, but actually 0 times it is appearing. On num2 0, the digit 2, this digit 2 occurs 0 time in num. You can see it is true, but this two are violating the condition, so it return false. I hope you understand this. We will dry run, then you will understand it more. So we are given a string consisting of digit. For every index I, digit I should appear exactly num I times in this string. Example 1 to 1 0, I already explained you in briefly. So what will be our brute force idea for this? Once approach is for every index traverse entire string again, count occurrence manually. This work, but nested loop are unnecessary because the nested loop increase the time and space complexity. So what will be our optimized approach? We use frequency counting. Why? Because we repeatedly need digit counts, hash map or frequency array, then compare count with values stored in string. So let's quickly dry run this here only. Num equals to 1 to 1 0, count frequencies 1, 2, 0 is appearing one time, 1 is appearing two time, 1 and 3, 0 time. So now compare. On index 0, num 0 is equals to 1, means digit 0 appears one time only, which is right. Index 1, which means num index 1 is 2, means digit 1 appears. So all the condition satisfy. So our answer is true. I hope you understand with this driver. Let's quickly comment this out, cut it out, and paste it above our question. Okay. Now let's quickly write our code. Okay. Now I will use the frequency array to count digit occurrence. For that, let's use vector first. Vector int for character. So now frequency 0 plus 2. So ch minus 0 converts character digit into integer. Now we will use for loop. Int I equals to 0. Num dot length and then I plus plus. Then now I will compare frequency with expected count stored at each index. For that, using if condition, frequency I means index I not equals to, I am comparing, not equals to num index I minus 0. Now what will happen? If any condition fails, it will return false. For that, return false. Now finally return true. Okay, now I hope you understand it. Let's quickly test case. Run our test case. As you can see, our test case runtime is 0 ms and also it's correct for both cases. Num is 1210, output is true as expected. 030 is false as expected. So let's quickly submit it out. So this was a great frequency counting problem. I hope you understand this. If you understand, like, share, subscribe. Follow for more daily DSA problem. See you in the next video. See you.